CLP leader Okram Ibobi says that BJP-led government will be taught a big lesson by people in the State Assembly election of 2027, while terming the setbacks suffered by the ruling party in Lok Sabha election as a curtain raiser. Okram Ibobi was speaking on the sideline of a reception program for people who have recently joined the Congress party. Ex-Mla of Sagolban constituency, Dr. Loken, former Mla of Tamai, Kikhonbou Newmai, former ADC member Tadinang Gangmai, Rangmuang Din Abonmai, MP Guang, active member of NPP, RQD social activists, Adam Tuimai, Manasan Ohawang, Achaubo Newmai, John Charanamai, and Ram Tinle were welcomed to the party during the reception program. Speaking further, Okram Ibobi said Congress party stand for peaceful coexistence and development in the state. Congress party encourages dialogue when working to sort out a solution of any issue. While targeting the BJP, Okram Ibobi said people cannot expect to live in harmony during the rule of BJP government. The ruling party, which has tarnished the meaning of democracy, will be taught a lesson in the assembly election, which is scheduled in 2027.
COVID number India any state local body autonomous district council panchayat municipality election to state present government Shri Karam state COVID number Bengal COVID angak public award election Tripura state democratic institution BJP government reason for what local body election finance commission any local body election election democracy constitution election center dictator Sasan 2027 Manipur para asauba para mahani MP para masama tandire handak para asauba tandire hai na ngai le Manipur